Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this countertop portable ice maker that I got recently on Amazon. In this video, I'm also gonna do a little bit of a comparison with a nugget ice maker that I have here. I've been buying many different ice makers and testing them to see which one I like best. And this one right here so far has been my favorite. All right, so the nugget ice maker I have right here is this one. I also got this on Amazon, and I'm gonna explain why I like this one better. The first thing is the ice size and how you can choose between small or large. I think this is amazing, especially if you're, I don't know, you have a big drink and you want bigger size ice. You have the option, you know, between small and large. I also feel like this is faster. It can make 9 little cubes in 6 minutes. Here I just turned this on about an hour and a half ago, and I already have all of this ice done. This one compared to this one right here is also lighter. It doesn't weigh a ton. I feel like this one is a little bit heavier, maybe because it's a nugget ice maker, you know, like the inside, I don't know, the parts that they have in it is a little bit heavier, but I actually prefer this, especially if you're thinking about bringing this in the car, camping, or, you know, not just having this on your countertop. I feel like this would be easier to carry around. Another thing I prefer about this ice maker is the noise. I feel like this one is not as loud as the nugget ice maker. This one I feel like it's just way too loud, and maybe because it's bigger, you can see that this one is bigger than this ice maker right here, so maybe that's why, but this one is definitely quieter. It's very easy to clean. The self-clean process is also super easy. Just pour water inside. That's where you have the water right there, the max line. I don't know, there are so many things I like better about this one. And the ice size, let me show you. So right now, as you can see, this is the small. It's, see, a little bit thicker than my finger. I love this size. I feel like this is perfect for drinks. Now the nugget ice maker, I feel like it's too tiny. Like the ice is way too tiny, and especially in drinks. Here, can you hear it? Now it's working. This is so much louder than the other one. But anyway, the reason I don't like this as much is because the ice melts a lot faster in the drink. You can also make 26 pounds of ice a day with this machine. So yeah, and also let's not forget the price. The price of this one is so much better than the nugget ice machine. So if you consider all of those little things, and if you don't like the ice melting too fast in your drink, this will be perfect. Like I said, I think this is a perfect size ice, and you have the option between small and large as well. So yeah, love this one, highly recommend it. If you're not sure about getting this one over the nugget ice machine because I don't know, maybe you're not sure if you're gonna like this, you should give it a try. This thing is pretty awesome.